Hi, welcome to Celestial IELTS. Today I got an Iranian student who did her OET in 1 month. It was a bit difficult for her, so let's know her story.
Hi, how are
I'm
you?
good, I'm good. I hope you're also doing well. Okay,
Yes,
so you recently got your OET score. So
yes.
let's talk about that. Even before that, can you give a brief intro about yourself? Like what you do, where you're from? Yeah.
Yes, I'm from Iran, but actually I'm living in Hungary and I've studied pharmacy in here like in 5 years and in June I graduated. So I decided to migrate to UK for my work and job seeking, but I need OET or IELTS. So I did OET for twice. The first
Mm.
time I failed, the second time I passed, hopefully.
hmm Okay. So why did you decide to join the classes? I mean, first time you didn't get the score. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, first time I studied by myself. Actually, I didn't like put that much time on it for studying because it was also before my board exam. So I was just, divide the time between the study for that and this one also.
Mm-hmm.
But the time was not enough. But and I studied by myself. I didn't have any idea about the how should I do or things. One of my friends actually by accident in the library sent your channel to me.
Uh-huh.
And he said, I have this channel for OET and I went through it. And before that, I searched for the tutor because,
Mm.
I decided to next time when I want to do the exam, I have a tutor and like work better on it. So when I went through your channel, I saw your ID and click on it and like decide to have the classes.
So how were the classes actually? Was it fun? Was it boring? So how was
No, no, it wasn't boring. It was
it?
very flexible. Sometimes most of the times I was down in the mood.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you understand.
Yeah.
Understood everything. No, it was really good because the point is, the time that I was down, you didn't, and most of the times, like sometimes I didn't do my homeworks. It was really like you were very flexible and good and didn't, yeah.
Yeah.
So everything went cool for me.
hmm Okay, fine. So how was the quality of the classes?
It was really good. Yeah, my actually my writing improves, my listening improves, and other scores as well.
Yeah, all improved actually. You had 320 for writing before, but it improved to 280, right?
Yes.
With reading, it became 410 from 370. That's actually pretty great, I'd say.
Yeah,
Yeah, you had more trouble with listening, 300. That
yes,
became, yeah,
350.
yeah,
Right to the
exactly.
point.
Yeah, with speaking, around 20 points increase. So actually,
Yeah,
it was a
20.
really good score. So for you, what was the most difficult module and how did you actually overcome it?
For me, the most difficult part was listening. That I was
Hmm.
tell you about it. It was really hard to get some of the words I was unfamiliar with the spelling
Right.
or unfamiliar words. Yeah, but I did try that one on YouTube that you sent me
Yeah.
and the other activities, so it improves. And also watching some podcast and English series. Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah, finding
Okay.
new
So why
vocabulary.
did you decide to go with OET instead of IELTS?
Actually, I had the IELTS classes last year when I was at my fourth year with the Persian tutor. And I found the IELTS much more difficult, especially in the writing. Yeah, in the writing when you wanna like talk about that diagrams and graphs, I even in my own language I can't speak about that. So it's like really hard for me. But OET, because it was more like in the concept of my
Yeah, you're on
profession.
field. Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I've chosen this because every subject it was whole of my profession. Much easier for me.
Okay, so you mentioned you were kind of down in the dumps during some days. So what happened on those days and what did we do when you were kind of,
Like most of
feeling
the
bad?
days, because I was thinking about that. I'm still no longer here a
Yeah.
student, so my resident permit gonna finish, my contract gonna finish. So every things like comes to my head that what should I do if I don't gonna pass?
Mm.
So it become me like made me in a lowest point. But when we talk together and
Yeah.
like have the classes and figure it out together, it's become much more better.
Okay, great. All right. So do you want to say something else? I think we mentioned everything. I mean the classes and everything. So is there
Yeah,
some?
it was.
Mhm. Mhm.
Yeah, especially I mentioned it before. Sometimes I did not do my homeworks,
Yeah.
and it wasn't like why you did not, because my last teacher, he was Persian, but he was much older than me. Like I think he was around 40 years old, and he was really strict on it. And my personality is like that. If you motivate me,
Yeah.
I can like become more study. And if you say okay, you become better, if you say like this, oh, your accent is good or your writing is become better, I like become motivated to study more. But he like acted like opposite. He
Uh-huh.
said it's not good, your English is not good, your writing is not good, in this way you're not gonna like get the mark. And when someone like his like speak like this to me,
Yeah,
I become
demotivated you, yeah.
more like
Mhm.
disappointed. And yeah,
Mm.
the best thing, yeah, I like about it, it's like
Okay.
that.
So actually your mother tongue is Persian. So why did you choose me? I mean, I barely know any Persian, right?
Mhm.
So why did you decide to just continue with me or start with me and how did that work?
Actually, I didn't, I didn't know someone in Persian that
Hmm.
like teach OET,
Huh.
because most of them doesn't know. Even my last tutor doesn't know anything about the OET. He just like teach IELTS,
Hmm.
and I just wanted to find someone who is like foreigner to yeah, to learn from him. That's why.
So because of
I
that, did
also
we have? Uh-huh.
my friend. I also introduced Dia
Yeah.
to my, you remember, but she just did not appear on the exam day.
Yeah.
We booked the exam, but she didn't come.
Yeah, she actually joined for 1 or 2 days. After that, she was a
Yeah,
no-show.
yeah.
Anyhow, okay. So, did we have any language barrier? Because your primary language is Persian. For me, it's Malayalam or otherwise, let's say English. So, did we have any
Mhm.
issues with the language?
Not actually. No, no. I
Mm-hmm.
could like clearly catch you.
Okay, so I think we should talk about sleep also. So, someone, yeah.
Very. I just tried my best to like woke up 10 days before my exam at 8 o'clock.
Hmm.
Really hard for me. Nowadays that's why we couldn't connect these days, because
Yeah.
every day I just would wake up at 12:30.
Yeah, I remember calling you to just wake you up.
Exactly.
Okay. Yeah. All right. So, do you want to say something else, maybe from your heart or something? No questions.
I'm
Mm-hmm.
really, really happy when I passed the exam. Even like more than every exams that I passed in these years, it was really good. In the morning that I saw the result, I just became tearful and
Yeah.
started crying. And yeah, I just told, first of all, I told my family, I called them, and then I text you.
So, is your family also really happy that you got this car?
Yes, yes. First of all, I started with my like mother. I told her, then my dad joined the video call, and I was like, "Oh, daddy, the results come out," and he said, "No problem, next time." And I said, "Daddy, and he said, "Okay, next time." I said, "Daddy, I passed," and he was still like, "Okay, no problem. Okay, you failed, right?" Yeah, it was really good. And I really appreciate your works, your everything. Thanks for everything that you taught me. And yes, it
Hmm.
was really worth for
Yeah,
me.
but the money you gave me, right? Yeah.
Thank you
Okay.
so much.
Okay. So let's say your friends, I mean, you already suggested my classes, but let's say you go to UK or let's say you see someone, maybe anywhere. So if they ask you for OET classes or something like that, even IELTS or any other English test, would you suggest my classes?
Yeah, I will suggest them, but it depends on them because
Mm.
some students are not very easy with the foreigner
Yeah,
tutors.
right.
They are better with Persian, so I will like introduce you for sure. Yeah,
So why will you introduce? I mean, am I too good? Mm-hmm.
I was okay with you. It helped me. Yeah,
Mm-hmm. Okay,
that's
so
why.
last question. Are you fully satisfied with the classes and your result?
Yes, I was satisfied.
Okay, so thank you so much for this feedback. Okay.
Thank.
Yep.
So you heard what Kimia has to say about her OET classes. So if you're also struggling with your OET or any other English proficiency test, such as IELTS, LPIP, or anything else, you can get in touch with me and we can get started with the classes as soon as possible. And my classes aren't like other batch classes or how the other institutes give it to you. It will be more fun, more personalized, and I will actually fix your real issues. I won't be just simply giving you the classes for the namesake. All right. So if you're looking for a similar class, you can join now. You can find my number over here. All right. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. And if you're new here, I have other videos also other than review videos related to English, IELTS, and also you can check it out. And don't forget to subscribe and share this video with others. So till the next video. Bye bye.